Guys, what is up? We're back with another video. Today we're doing something that I haven't done often on the channel, and that is unboxing a giant, stupidly expensive mystery box. I don't know what's in this. This is the best selling sneaker mystery box from my friend Joe over at Sneaker Fleet in New York. This is worth roughly $5,000 Canadian. And he sent this over to me, and I have absolutely no idea what's in it. I'm very excited. It's so heavy. Like, there's gotta be at least like 8 pairs of sneakers in here, give or take. So I cannot wait. If you guys wanna see more videos like this, just please let me know down in the comment section below. Hit that like button as well. If you enjoy these types of videos, let's hit 3,000 likes on the video. So I know you guys want to see more mystery unboxings like this. Also, if you want to get my mystery box, the August one is now available. We're shipping out the July ones as we speak, but if you want to get the August one, link down in the description. Okay, you guys are getting the first view of what's inside here. If this is a bunch of crap, I'm gonna have to have some harsh words with Joe about this, but I think this should be some good stuff. I mean, for 5,000 Canadian dollars. Oh, wow. We are working with a lot. Look in here already. I see 3 great pairs of shoes in here already. Oh my goodness. What do we start with? Let's go with the ones with no box here. Okay, so we have some Yeezy Zebras. He said he was gonna try and send as many of these in my size as possible. So these ones are where's the size tag on Yeezys? These are a size 13 Yeezy Zebras, no box. As you can see, these are like really worn. We're not talking brand new shoes here. These are pretty yellow on the bottom. The upper looks good though. These are, I'm gonna try and just guess the resale prices. I'll put my guess and the actual price up on the screen. We'll see if this box is worth it or not, but I'd say these you could probably still sell for around, Zebras go for a lot, surprisingly. I'd say you get 300 bucks for these. There's no box. Bottom's a little bit dirty, but the upper is in perfect condition. The inside isn't that dirty. You'd still probably get 300 bucks for these. If there's still people that haven't got a pair of Zebras that really want to get a pair of Zebras, not bad. Okay, let's move on to, let's get another pair. Wow, whoa, that was terrifying. You know what, we're gonna set the box down behind us, and that way that won't happen again. Another pair of Yeezys. Let's look at these. Wow. I can tell you right now, these ones are not my size. These are very tiny. Size 9. These are size 9 Yeezy 350, SPLY 350, Core Black and Gym Red, or I don't know what these are called. I just call them the Core Black Yeezy 350s. These are expensive. I don't know exactly how much these go for, but I want to say around $650 probably. One of the best Yeezys to ever release. It's just so simple. It's just black, red text. This is one of the only Yeezys I would really consider wearing still. I don't really wear the 350s. The Quantums I love, 500s, I wear those pretty regularly. The 350s, just, I don't know. Some of the colors, they don't really go with the clothes I wear, but I'd wear these 100%. Sadly, they're a size 9. Anything that I unbox here that I don't want to keep is going to get listed up on tomstefanic.com. So if you guys are interested, we'll have it up probably by the time you watch this video, or maybe a couple days after if you want to check back. These 100% will be there because these are a size 9 and I have no use for them at all. So what are we at? We're at $950, let's say, US, which is great so far. Second pair, oh, huh. Well, I mean, these just released. What do we want to say, 200 bucks-ish, 220? I don't really know what these go for. I'm gonna say 200 bucks. Retail is 190 plus tax. Let's just say these go for retail, $200 right here. Reverse grapes or alternate grapes or whatever people want to call these ones. The suede is, it's a wild shoe. It's just like so bright and vibrant. I really like these. Once again, this is not my size though. This is a much smaller size, yeah. So these will not be being kept in my collection because I can't wear these. But let's tack on another $200, so $1,150 thereabouts. Okay, I'm like 99% sure I know exactly what these are already. These ones are my size. Thank you, Joe. Joe, thank you. I love you. You are the best. Thank you for sending these ones to me. Oh my goodness. Ha! Exactly what I thought. Nigel Sylvester's. I love this shoe so much. This is one of the best Jordan ones ever. This is, I think I have 2 pairs of these now, I believe. I might have 3. I don't really know what I sell and what I keep at this point, but this is a gorgeous pair of shoes. It's just beat up already before you even put them on your feet. There's scuffs, there's creases, there's yellowing, there's swooshes that have been torn off, and just such a cool looking pair of shoes. I love these. As for the resale, it looks like these might have been, I can't tell, they're laced up and there's already dirt on the bottom when you buy it. So we're just gonna conservatively say worn once, and I think these probably worn once go for like $450, I'm gonna say. That's a complete guess, but I'm gonna say you could probably get $450 for these. So what does that put us up to? That puts us up to like $1,500, I believe, which is $1,600, I think. Okay, what do we got here? These are heavy, so this is probably a pair, yeah, these are Jordan 4s. White cement Jordan 4s, pretty much brand new, maybe worn once. Absolutely brand new. These probably go for $400 as well. I'm gonna say probably $400 on these. Wow, great pair of shoes, absolutely amazing pair of shoes. I just recently, like a couple months ago, bought a pair of these. So these probably won't be being kept because I don't need two pairs. Shoe Nike Air on the back, the leather is so cool. This is turning out to be a really, really good box so far. These came out in 2016, I believe, and I didn't really have the money to buy them at that point. I mean, like I was doing YouTube, I was 19 or 20 years old, and I mean I was making money off of it, but I didn't have endless amounts to go pay the resale back then. So this is really cool to have a pair of these. Just these get me excited, just like the classic Jordans, the Nigel Sylvester, stuff like this just gets me excited. These are the sneakers that I really, really enjoy looking at. Another pair of Jordan 4s, I'm guessing, yeah, another pair of Jordan 4s. Woo. Okay, I'm keeping these ones. Unless these are completely beat up, I'm keeping these ones. Yes! Yes! Jordan 4 Oreos. I freaking love these shoes. Do you know how much I love these shoes? Ask me how much I love these shoes. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous pair of shoes. Jordan 4 Oreos. These came out in 2016 as well, I believe. Jordan Brand did this remastered program where people were getting really upset that the leather quality just sucked on their shoes, which it did in like 2013, 2014. These actually probably came out in 2014 now that I say that. The leather quality was trash. It was plastic. It was just hard plastic. And everyone started complaining, so Jordan Brand said, oh, we're gonna do remastered Jordans. And this was one of the first ones that they put out where they really put real attention into the quality and the materials that they used on it, and it definitely paid off. These look so nice. These are sort of worn. I honestly don't know how much dead stock pairs of these go for. I'd say, I mean, there's still stars on the toe and there's not a ton of creasing or lint. You could probably still get $200 for these, so we'll chalk these up to $200, but these are not going anywhere. These are staying in my closet. One of my favorite, like these get me excited. Joe, you picked some amazing shoes. I don't know if you specially curated this for me, but absolutely, absolutely amazing. This is one of my favorite Jordans that's not a Jordan 1 ever. We have another pair of Yeezys. These ones are a size 13 once again. So same as the Zebras. I can sort of fit size 13 Yeezys. I'd prefer to have a size 12 in most situations. Oh. Okay, you don't say. Core blacks, very, very, very nice. These are an expensive one too. These are a little bit worn. These are way better condition than the Zebras. Little bit worn. I mean, there's still the Adidas Yeezy on the insole. You could still see that. SPLY 350. This was one of the original 350 releases in 2016 or 2017, whenever they originally came out. And these go for a lot of money. They're in good condition. I want to say probably, I might be so wrong because I haven't looked in probably a year, but $700 you could get for these. I think these are one of the really expensive Yeezys. I might be a little off base with how much, looks like maybe worn once, a pair of these could go for, but probably $700. I might keep these because I used to have a pair of these. This is actually, fun fact, this is the first Yeezy that I ever bought. Ever. First Yeezy I ever bought. Adidas, Nike, Reebok, any type of Yeezy. First one that I ever bought. I bought these at SneakerCon Charlotte. And I don't have, well, I mean, now I have them. I might keep these. $700-ish, so we're looking good. We're trying to hit, what are we trying to hit? Like 3,500 USD-ish. That's 5,000 Canadian, 3,500 USD is what we're trying to hit. So I think we are well on our way, especially with the last pair of shoes that I saw in the box. These are, drum roll, seriously. Drum roll, please, for the last pair of shoes. Boom! Nike Off-White. How exciting is that? Now, I don't know what these are. These are, oh, now I know what they are. So if these are in pretty good condition, I think we definitely surpass the money mark on this. This is definitely a good value box here. Oh my goodness. Look what we have here. Oh, wow. These are like tried on. Like barely, I don't even know if you could call these worn. They're tried on. All the little nubs are here. There's you can see like a tiny little bit of dirt, like a minuscule amount of dirt. There's no sock lint. All the printing is still in the insole. Off-white Prestos. These are a tiny little boy size. These are size 8. No way I'm gonna fit these. What do these go for? $650 probably would be my guess. You could probably sell these for $650. Beautiful pair of shoes. It's crazy how quickly they've yellowed. The other one is actually wrapped up a little bit. I wonder if that's affected the color of, oh my goodness. I don't know if you guys can see this, but right beside each other, the foam in the pair that's been wrapped up versus the foam in the pair that hasn't been wrapped up, so much more yellow. That's crazy how just air getting to it and oxygen and dirt or whatever it is getting to it makes it yellow that much. But I'd love to have a pair of these. I used to have the black pair very, very shortly, and then I ended up doing a giveaway with it or something. Just such a comfortable shoe, the Prestos, but the regular Prestos look terrible, at least in my opinion. I hate the way the regular Prestos look, and these ones look much cooler. So I never wear a regular pair of Prestos, but I'd happily wear a pair of off-white Prestos because I just think these look really cool. Extra laces in here, not bad, can't really complain. So just a quick little overview. Let's see if we get to 3,500 USD, 5,000 Canadian. Let's call these 650. Let's call these 700, so that is 1,350. And let's call these 200, 1,550. These ones 400, let's say, 1,850. I don't know if we're gonna get there, huh? These ones probably 450, so 2,300. Are we gonna get there? These ones 200, 2,500. What did I say for these? We could probably get $300 from these. So that's 2,800. And we're gonna get bang on, pretty much. I think you could safely say, I forget what I said, 600 for these. Let's say 700, and that puts us right at 3,500 USD, 5,000 Canadian. Maybe I'm undershooting the prices. Here's what the actual value is of me looking through the prices after filming and seeing what we could probably sell them for. And I think this is pretty good value. I mean, I might be getting the prices so wrong because I don't really know resale prices that well. This could be worth $1,000 more. I think I'm being conservative with the prices. I don't think it would be worth that much less. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Do you want to see more mystery boxes? I know a bunch of guys at sneaker stores that could easily hook me up with a bunch of really cool mystery boxes, and I could go buy some random ones off eBay and who knows what. If you guys want to see more of this, comment section below. Please let me know. I appreciate every single one of you. You guys are my favorite people on earth. I'll be back with a brand new video very soon. So until then, thank you so much and peace.